Comaspec is a Canadian-owned full-service contract manufacturer based in Guangzhou, southern China. As a vertically integrated manufacturer doing full assembly for international brands and OEMs, we also make the majority of our own parts in-house. My sister and myself started the company in 2005 because we saw a lack of capabilities in the market for companies with engineering, product development, and integration capabilities. From 5 employees in 2005, we've grown to a team of over 200 people, with 150 on the factory floor and an extensive engineering, quality, and operations supporting team. We have 3 facilities, one focused exclusively on sheet metal fabrication, another for plastic and metal part fabrication, and a third plant for final assembly. If we can provide information in real time to our MES and ERP, we can provide the information in real time to our people whom this information matters. One critical step to achieve this is for our equipment to be connected to our MES system, and this is possible with LVD equipment. We have also developed an online sheet metal platform called ComaCut, enabling our customer with design for manufacturing review, instant quote, and online order. Our ability to network and to pull data from our LVD laser and bending machine has helped us to constantly iterate and improve on that system, specifically for pricing and lead time projection. Comaspec has 3 primary advantages. 1, we are a very agile and responsive company. Our customers expect us to move fast, and we've designed our system and trained our people to achieve this. We have the capabilities to support our customer with design review, project management, fabrication, and logistics. 2, we are constantly investing in our people, systems, and equipments to enable us to fabricate, assembly, and ship millions of products every year. And 3, we are one of very few contract manufacturing companies that makes most of our parts in-house. We do that so we can control our destiny. Manufacturing in-house means we can compress timelines, control cost, and our engineering team have a deep understanding of how this process works and how to design parts to be made by these processes. Well, the level of accuracy and repeatability the EasyForm laser bending machine provide just blew away what we had seen before in terms of performance. After we saw that, it was an easy decision to make LVD the primary equipment supplier for all of our sheet metal equipment. They were responsive, they had good technical support, and they allowed us to make good parts on a consistent basis.
So I think the biggest change was probably just in the past we faced a lot of issues with inconsistent machine performance, lots of downtime versus time of production, and just the quality of first parts off was not as good as what we're seeing with LVD now. So what this meant is we spent a lot more time firefighting and trying to fix issues rather than working on the day-to-day. So I would say, first of all, the BCAM and LCAM systems from LVD, they reduced our average setup time by around 30 to 40%. Because we're doing a lot of POs, a lot of parts every year, this really adds up to a lot of cost and time savings. Second issue would be machine utilization. So we don't have as exact figures for the older machines versus for the new LVDs, but I would say on average, probably about 15% more machine utilization. Third one is probably the biggest one. That's the average product development time. So I would say we save on average 5 to 7 days every time with LVD because we're making the parts right the first time and we don't need to go back and recut parts for a second production run. So we have this 8 kilowatt hour laser cutting machine with auto loading tower, and we have 3 LVD bending machines, CNC bending machines. So in terms of our experience with LVD, it's been very positive. The quality of support, the responsiveness, the consistency of parts. Basically, they've just made our life easier by allowing us to focus on running our day-to-day business and growing it and not worrying about machine setup, worrying about production problems. It just has made our life easier.